So we move our skateboards. Let's all move our skateboards. So we move our skateboards. Oh, this thing's gonna break. They use Magic Seat Savit. Now, round town down to all this. Unscrew dragon. Unscrew the magic. Chips of it. Save a. Rotave. Save a. Shay. Save. Shave. Sate Pool. Alright. Shay Industries. Send that back. Sate Pool again. Shay Industries again. Sate Pool. Right there. Our dragon uncurse. Shan Ta Li Shang Xing Shang Xing Shang Shi. Get in the round town van. Suck up a mortal shortle, shavortle, sortle, suck up a billion mortal shortles. Shang Shi Sha La Shang Xin Sha Ti Shang Xin Sha, billion more. Pretty colors. Shan Shanta Sa. Who it be? They and them use the Scorpion machine. Should I have done that? Yeah, because they're making immortal dids. And I'm always going to keep this and rip it open, grab out chip, throw a chip in their router, move with the 3. Shit, everything's moving. Let's see if we get a murder. System activate 7-9. Magic scenery. That's what I like about this place sometimes. They got a train. Whoa, he died. And that obliterated the system. And his own system killed him. That's what you do when someone messes with your router.